Do you know that a small YouTuber can make $500 a month? Some say that making money with YouTube is really hard and takes a long time. Well, it definitely takes effort to be successful at anything. And don't forget patience. But in today's video, we'll talk about a fairly simple and easy way to make money with YouTube. You just need to copy and paste videos, and that's it. Just like Instagram Reels, YouTube has introduced a new feature called Shorts. YouTube pays creators for creating shorts, and it's based on views. So first of all, we are going to talk about how to actually find the right shorts, then how to copy and paste and create those YouTube shorts. And we're going to talk about how to actually upload them to get more views to earn more income from YouTube. At the end of this video, we will show you how you can earn more income from YouTube shorts that are not even based on views at all. So stay till the end. Now, watch closely. Here is a channel with the name Lovely Animal Shorts. This channel started months ago and has now crossed over 63 million views. You can see that the channel makes simple compilation videos about cute animals. With the simplest effort, this channel has gotten a creator mark and earned loads of cash. So here's a quick rundown of how YouTube Shorts might help you earn some money. This video will break down how to find the perfect idea and content, copy-paste them, and generate views. So make sure you watch till the end. First of all, you should have an idea of who your target audience is and try to find out what your audience likes. What topics spark their interest? What would solve their problem? Then choose the most popular and watched topic. You can get more views if the video is based on a popular subject. Many apps can help you create the perfect video and upload it straight to YouTube Shorts, and one of them is TikTok. You'll see most of the YouTube Shorts are from TikTok. TikTok creates perfect short videos. But the problem is, whenever you download a video from TikTok, the video gets watermarked, and YouTube has a policy of not paying for shorts that include watermarks or branding from video editing softwares. Now, don't be worried about this. We have a solution to this problem. Musical Down is the solution to your watermark problem. This is an online app where you can just copy the link to the TikTok video you want to download and simply paste it into the app. Then you can download the video without a watermark and then use it on YouTube. The link for this software is in the description of the video. The basic rule for making a perfect short video is to be creative. Be creative in finding videos that grab attention and have a higher chance to go viral. So even copying and pasting a video needs creativity. But how can you be more creative? There are lots of amazing content out there when you do proper research on a specific topic. If you have a hard time finding videos and topics for the shorts, the next website is for you. Listverse. Listverse provides a variety of ideas to make YouTube shorts. You can find ideas on any topic here. If you search from the entertainment section, you will find unique top 10s articles about anything in the entertainment industry, from which you can make a compilation for your YouTube shorts. Listverse also provides videos for reference. This is where you can download related clips for your videos. Choose the clips you want to use in your videos and download them with a video downloader. This video downloader, smallseotools.com, is one of the video downloaders you can use. After downloading the video, you can compile the clips, add text and effects, and even add voiceovers to it by using simple video editing softwares. KineMaster is one of the best and easy to use video editors to use. You can download it on any mobile device. Use this app to crop, edit, and add effects to the short video. You don't need a PC to edit and make a video. With this app, you can completely make a short video without a problem. As for the audio, you can easily find royalty-free music online to add to your video. Adding a piece of background music will make the video more interesting and enjoyable to watch. Now, uploading a video isn't difficult, is it? Yes, it is simple. But you may ask, how do we get enough views for our videos? Some of us, especially beginners, make certain common mistakes when uploading our videos. So how do we make sure to get good views for our YouTube Shorts? First of all, you need a catchy title for your video so people don't swipe away without watching. After that, you can add hashtags so your videos have a higher chance to be recommended to viewers searching for the topic of your content. And it is advisable not to upload more than 3 videos a day, because spamming on your channel is the last thing you want to do. If all of these are not good enough already and you want even more views to your videos, well, vidIQ is a really great tool to help you with that. vidIQ is designed to help you with finding the most searched and trending keywords so you can add this content to your channel. Include these keywords to the title of your shorts so that your shorts keep getting recommended to the YouTube audience. For example, the keyword cryptocurrency has had its fair share of search volume, but its competition is also extremely high. On the other hand, the keyword Bitcoin has a far higher search volume, with 10.9 million searches for it regularly, and the competition is low. So your content would have a higher chance of going viral with the key phrase Bitcoin than cryptocurrency. vidIQ gives you this kind of data, so it's really easy to find your next viral content on YouTube. So head on to vidiq.com/themoneydaily to create your vidIQ account. Or you can go onto YouTube and enter your keyword into the search bar. Then filter to this month and most watched, and it will show videos of the best performance in the month. You can find inspiration from these videos on what topics to create videos about. And you can also look at the tags used in these videos, which you can copy to your own YouTube Shorts. Here's the part you've been waiting for. How do I make big money with my YouTube Shorts? Compiling YouTube Shorts is the easiest way to earn money online right now, and people are making a lot of money from them. Now you have gotten the idea of how simple and minimally edited videos can still get a heck of a lot of views. The trick is to make videos that people want to watch. You can make money with YouTube Shorts in many other ways as well. If you're not using these strategies, you are leaving potentially thousands on the table. These strategies would work best when your channel is consistently getting thousands of views daily. The first monetization method besides the Shorts Fund is to sell your products. Include links to your websites in the description of the shorts. You can even print on demand. You just need to upload your t-shirt designs on websites like teespring.com. Share the link to that product in the description of the video and bring people straight to your product. And earn a commission when someone purchases the product after clicking on your link. The second way you can monetize your YouTube Shorts is with affiliate marketing, or CPA marketing. CPA stands for cost per action, which means in most cases, you can refer people to some offer where they don't have to pay for anything. They literally just need to sign up and you'll get paid. One of the best examples of this is the Audible affiliate program. You will get paid $5 when someone signs up for free. The best part is that when people upgrade to Gold membership, now you make $10 per person. So imagine if your video gets millions of views and 200 people sign up for the free trial and 100 of them upgrade their membership, you are earning $2,000 from one single video, and only through referral links. You can maximize your result by including the links in the description. You can choose any offers in any niches out there. Grab the referral link and put it in the description of these Shorts videos. Thanks for making it to the end. We are so glad to be journeying with you on your journey to make money online and eventually live the life you've dreamed of. Let us know in the comments what Shorts channel you are going to start today. See you in the next video.